Hello. I would like to show you a cleaning process that I built from scratch to clean a supersize 18 by 26 feet Oriental rug that's saturated with a dog's pee-pee odor so bad. This is 120 years old, beautiful wool rug. I pick it up from a huge plantation in Wellington, Florida. It takes 7 guys to lift this rug from the second floor and put it in my truck. Let me show you how I clean this rug and remove the urine odor completely, permanently, total, without using no scrubber, no deodorize, no enzyme, no chemicals, no centrifuge machine, fully automatically XpetPee machine that's clean Oriental rug, antique Oriental rug, without touching the rug in the wet cleaning process. After the vacuum extract all the dirt, the pee-pee, everything from the rug, you take it through the tube and the tube show me what is in the rug in real time. So when the tube is dirty, I continue the process. And when the tube is clear, the same water coming from the top, the same water coming from the bottom, I know I finished the cleaning process. So simple. Enjoy the video. Thank you very much. Mayor Martin. PetPeePee, the only one guarantee in writing urine odor removal permanently without using all the toxic chemicals such as enzyme and deodorize.
My dog peed on the carpet